All right. So 2.6 chords. Okay. So when chords are the same length, their angles are the same. So for example, you'll see that this chord and this chord, it says they're both 8. So what would x be then? 90. Okay. The converse of that is true. Okay, so if chords are the same length, then their angle measures are the same. Is true, and the converse is switching that, right? So the converse is if their angle measures are the same, their chords are the same. So what would the length of this chord be? 5. Okay? Now, the other thing you're going to see with this today, and this is not in your notes, so you're going to have to add it, but, oh God, that's really bad. It will be on the test. Is if you have two chords, let's say I tell you this chord is 18 and the degrees of it is 110 and the degrees of this one is 110 and this is 2x minus 2 and I ask you to find x. What do you need to do? Set them equal. So 18 equals 2x minus 2. So what would you do first? To each side, what would you do? Plus 2, right? Because it is subtract 2. So you'd add 2, so those cancel. So you get 20 equals 2x. And then you would divide by 2 to get x is 10. Okay? Questions on chords? No. Because you already know this one's 18, right? Since this one's 18. As long as the circles are congruent, then this will also happen in separate circles. One thing you need to be careful of is sometimes they'll give you the major arc, but it wants you to find the minor arc associated with it in the other picture. So what would you do to find this arc so you can find the matching one from this picture? From what? 360. There's 360 degrees in a circle. So you would do 360 minus 270 to get 90 degrees as the measure of this arc. And then so this angle is also 90 degrees. So make sure you read what they're asking for today. Okay, that's been the most common mistake is people weren't reading it, and so they got it wrong. They will have some where they say, okay, what's this one where you answer 270? So just make sure you read the question carefully so you don't get easy problems wrong. Okay? Last part. Any line perpendicular to the chord coming from the center, we'll split it into two congruent parts. So if you have a chord, okay, and the radius coming through it and is perpendicular, it means these two halves are equal. So what is x going to be? 8. Now in the other shape, if the whole thing is 10, what does that mean each part is? 5. Questions on that concept?